Hi there and welcome back to another video on my What the F playlist. This is where we take a look at some of those more confusing aspects of the English language. This time it is vocabulary based and we look at three words that on the surface have basically the same meaning. I'm talking about the verbs mend, fix and repair. So, if they are basically the same, why do we have three, and when should we use one instead of the other? Well, the second is a good question. The first, well, why do we have three words with a similar meaning? I guess the answer is because each one offers a slightly different nuance. And we will look at when to use one instead of the other. So let's look at some examples. The first one, we fix the whole thing or we fix the situation. We repair a part of something. We mend something less complicated. So the device needs to be fixed. The broken screen needs to be repaired. My car needs to be mended. Now, just as a side note, when you're using the verb need, we can also use need plus a gerund. So the device needs fixing, the broken screen needs repairing, and my car needs mending. So let's go into more details of each of those verbs: fix, repair and mend. So number one, fix. We could say that fix means to get something back to a previous working condition. Something more global. For example, can you fix my phone? We also use it to talk about relationships between people. They are trying to fix their relationship after a difficult year. Now let's have a look at repair. Now repair is more specific than fix. I need the mechanic to repair my car. If you want to fix the problem, you'll need to repair the whole unit. Now, mend is basically the same as repair, but less professionally done. For example, my dad would always mend my broken toys when I was a kid. You can also use mend to talk about repairing clothes. For example, can you mend my trousers? And also related to the body. You can also mend a broken heart and a broken bone. When someone has a broken arm, it is often fixed in plaster and then the patient has to wait for the bone to mend. Now here, fixed refers to making something rigid and not able to move. Well, I hope that clears up any confusion between those three words. Be sure to give the video a like, check out the other videos on the channel, subscribe, and take a look at the other links in the description. All the best. Take care. Cheers.